So when we're entering 2021, everyone's talking about whether we're finally going to be getting the vaccine. Hopes are definitely high for the magic bullet. A key meet of the subject expert committee is currently underway as we speak to decide on the approval for the COVID vaccine. After the expert panel gives its nod to the vaccines, the applications will then be reviewed by the Drugs Controller General of India for final approval. Remember that the government is aiming to start the vaccination drive this month itself. Experts will take a decision on the application from Serum Institute of India for the use of the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine. That's called Covishield for emergency use. The second candidate is Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. Zydus Cadilla's vaccine is also in the advanced stages. It's waiting for approval for the third stage of trials.
1/5 of the population of the world को 130 करोड़ लोगों को वैक्सीन करना इज नॉट के दैट इजी कि हम बोला तो कर दिया. हम तो धड़ाधड़ दिन रात भी करेंगे तो भी करते करते साल लग जाएगा. कुछ लोगों में अभी बहुत सारे लोगों को हो चुका है जिनको थोड़ी सी नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी उनको तो है ही है, हार्ड इम्यूनिटी उनको भी है. उनको जगह जो एंटीबॉडीज कम भी होते जाएंगे तो दे विल टेक सम टाइम.
Milind Sharma is with us from Delhi with all the latest on this. Milind, that meeting of the subject expert committee is currently underway. How really does this work now? What can be decided by this committee? Is there a chance really of a vaccine? There's a lot of speculation that with this meeting itself, a vaccine can be approved. Is that actually possible?
Well, it is certainly possible, Akshita, because this particular meeting that's currently underway right now is being looked at by 10 members of the expert committee. This panel comes under the Central Drugs Controller Authority of India, and this particular panel will be deciding whether or not a recommendation for the emergency use authorization should be given to the 3 candidates that have slated their presentations today. So what we've heard from within the meeting is that the Serum Institute of India is the first one that's going to make the presentation, and that will be for Covishield. Bharat Biotech is also ready with its presentation for Covaxin. Another member of the meeting is also Pfizer. Pfizer has asked for some more time in the previous meeting. So today we're going to decide whether or not even Pfizer, who asked for an EUA, is going to be in the running. Another candidate, the Zydus Cadilla's vaccine Zycov, will start its phase 3 trials. It's a very crucial meeting looking at many aspects of the vaccine, and we will surely know by today if Covishield, who's a likely candidate and the front runner in the race for an EUA, will be provided the recommendation, the required recommendation from the SEC, because without their recommendation, the Drugs Controller General of India cannot give an emergency use authorization, and that's very crucial, which is why all eyes on this meeting that is convening and is underway right now. Akshita.
Okay, Milind, thank you for joining us for the moment. We'll of course keep coming to you once that meeting is also done to understand what's really been decided by the subject expert group.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.